Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has come down further. Last video I told you we are probably going to get down into the region around 33.5 cents. That was based on the Fibonacci extension tool, and we said this would be a 1-2 setup in the third wave, and that the target to the downside of the next move down would be the 1.618 extension around 33.5 cents. Now we've reached yesterday 33.4 cents. I think that is pretty accurate, and again it confirms that ADA is following the wave count, which is really good. So I would now expect mainly a wave 4 retracement here, or a wave 3 retracement into wave 4 here in green. The reason is because we can count 5 waves as complete in wave 3 in green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that came to 33.4 cents. And we're moving closer and closer to the target of around 30 cents. My view now is we should see a wave retracement here. Not stronger than the 30 and not stronger than the 50% retracement. So that's the wrong tool. And ideally to the 38.2% retracement. That is what the wave 4 normally does. So ideally sort of to the 34.4 cent level. Not stronger than the 34.7 cent level. It is already retraced to the minimum here at 34 cents, but ideally we would be looking at 34.4 and maximum 34.7. Then a move down expected in a fifth wave down, for which we then can use also the calculation, target calculation. Problem is we don't really know yet where wave 4 will go to, so it's a bit hard to calculate that really, right? And we can make some assumptions and we can say, okay, we had here our wave 1 in green, which was, by the way, quite long, started where that triangle ended. So we take the Fibonacci extensions and we add it maybe let's say to the 34.4 cent level, and then just to give you an idea, we'd be looking at an ideal target, the 1-to-1 ratio between waves 1 and 5 of around 32.7 cents. Could it be that ADA has already done its low and that we're already starting to move up from here? Well, ask yourself the question, do you think there will not be lower ADA prices? At the moment, there is no evidence that it has bottomed. We are below this descending trend line. As said before, it could very well be that we see some extensive recovery first before we come down or something. Best to trade what's in front of you, because in the end everything is possible in these markets. The question is always, how likely is it? My view is that 30 cents is an ideal level. We might not reach it quite, we might only get to whatever 30.5, but I think we will, either way we should at least see a strong reaction to that 30 cent level. That's the 88.7% Fib level of the larger ADA cycle, and we should see some kind of a reaction. I don't know if it will be the reversal or whatever, but we should see some kind of a reaction there, right? And this would be important. And then, if you have that trend line there on the chart, you can see that trend line, the descending trend line. As soon as you break above that, that is already an indicator that things are moving and turning around, but we haven't done that yet, and also we haven't really done any kind of 5 waves to the upside, 3 waves down, which will always be a good indicator that things are changing here. But on the other hand, we are now quite oversold. We talked about that yesterday on the daily chart. So at some point there will be, soon I think, a recovery. Now again, that could mean we hit the 30 cent level, and we'll see a recovery. We'll see. But the good thing is here that ADA is finally moving. ADA is moving. It's better than having here this long sideways movement, because this drop allows ADA to create a new low and to build a new foundation from scratch, because this was not a solid foundation to a new all-time high, what we built here since May. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.